Hi there, this is Paul with ActiveBooker, and today I want to share some information with you about our discounts feature that you can find in the back end of your ActiveBooker account. What we're going to look at today is 3 different scenarios in which you may want to add a discount for your clients. If you click on the Discounts tab, you'll see that there's an Add Discount button and a Manage Discount button. Today, we're simply going to add some discounts. If you click on the Add Discount tab, you'll see that there are a number of empty fields that we will be filling in. So the first type of discount that I'd like to show you is something that you may want to add for, let's say, your league members. So what we're going to do, is put in a name of a discount called league members, and let's make the code that would be input on the actual booking page for customers as just league. There's 2 different discount types, a percentage-based and a fixed amount. For this particular example, let's simply use a percentage of 50%. You can use any percentage that you'd like. Down here is where there's some variation and why I want to show you 3 different types of discounts. The first type that we're going to use is the first one listed, anytime using this discount code. What that means is that you can choose a start date and an end date, and the person can utilize that code at any time during those dates. So let's choose January 12th to the end of the month, January 31st. Now, you may be thinking that you don't want to have your league members have access to the entirety of your open hours to be able to use this discount code. Perhaps you want to limit them to not all day, but between set hours. So perhaps you'd only like them to be able to use the discount code between 4 p.m. and 6 p.m. If that's the case, you can simply unclick all day, select a start time and an end time. Similarly, if you'd like them to only be able to utilize the discount code a few times during the period that you've selected, then you select limited frequency and you can put in, let's say, 3 times. Once you change the discount status to active, you can now submit all of this information, and what you will have then created is a code for your league members with the code LEAGUE that gives them 50% off between January 12th and January 31st, but only between 4 p.m. and 6 p.m. and with a maximum usage of 3 times. If you don't want to limit the frequency, you simply uncheck that box. Similarly, if you don't want to limit the time in which they can use the discount, just select all day. Either way is completely fine. Once you click submit, discount added successfully. The second type of discount situation that I would like to show you is for special occasions. At the time of this video, it's January 2024. Next month is Valentine's Day. Perhaps you'd like to set something up for Valentine's Day that you can begin marketing now. Let's create a code for Valentine's Day. And let's make the code Valentine's. Again, let's use a percentage discount code, and perhaps you want to offer all of your customers a 25% discount on Valentine's Day. So this time, instead of selecting any time using the discount code option, we're going to select fixed dates. Once you select fixed dates, you'll see a menu bar pop up here. When you select the menu bar or click on the menu bar, it will bring up the calendar. Go to February, and you can choose either only Valentine's Day, or maybe you want to offer it the entire week of Valentine's Day. Either way is completely fine. Select the dates that you wish to offer the 25% discount, select them, change your status to active, and click submit. Similarly, if you want to limit the time in which people can use it, you can do that in the exact same manner that we did for the first discount code. Click submit, discount added successfully. The third type of discount code may be that you want to try to incentivize your customers to come and visit you during your slower periods or perhaps on your slower days. So if, for example, you find that your venue is not terribly busy on Mondays and you want to offer a discount, you can certainly do that. So let's create a discount called Mondays. The code will simply be, Monday. Perhaps on Mondays you want to offer $10 off. To do that, this time you select fixed amount. you put the fixed amount of $10. And down here for fixed usage, for selecting the usage, you're going to now select fixed days. So the fixed days is down here. You're going to click on Monday and only Monday because this is a discount code for Mondays. The date parameters that you see here are if you want to offer this only during a certain time period. So perhaps you only want to offer this during the month of February. If that's the case, you simply select a start and end date of the first and last day in February. Once you select discount status of active, you click submit, and you will now have a discount code that will apply only on Mondays for a $10 discount in that month. Click submit, discount added successfully. If on the front end, you'd like to see what this looks like, let's try it out. So to select a booking type, let's choose the 1 hour. We'll close the pop-up, select any time here. Let's select 3 adults, and let's use the promo code of league. When you click apply, the amount due after the discount is now half of what it was before, which is the 50% discount. Utilizing these discount codes is a great way to reward customers and incentivize customers. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your ActiveBooker support specialist. Thank you.